Are you worried apps might be watching or listening without your permission? Today I will show you how to block camera and microphone access in Windows 11. Fast, easy, and effective. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more privacy and tech tips from Zia Maliky Academy. Let's start by opening your privacy settings. For that, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, scroll down to Camera, turn off camera access or block specific apps individually. Repeat the same for microphone. Simple toggles give you full control. You don't have to block all apps, just the suspicious one. Still, under camera and microphone, scroll down to the app list. Toggle off access for apps like Zoom, Chrome, Skype, and more. Perfect for selective privacy. Do you want total privacy? Here is how to disable all access system-wide. In the same settings, toggle off camera access or microphone access at the top. This cuts all apps instantly. If you need it back later, no problem. Come back to the same section, flip the switch on for access again or just for trusted apps. Full control anytime. That's how you lock down your privacy in Windows 11. Stop apps from listening or watching. Take back control. If this helped you, like the video and comment privacy first, and subscribe to Zia Maliky Academy for more real-world Windows 11 tips. I'll see you in the next video.